Auto scroll down problem in Windows 11. First, you need to update your device driver. Right click on Start icon at bottom left corner, select Device Manager, expand the Mice and Other Pointing Devices option, and here you need to select or right click on your device. Select the option of Properties. Now go to the Driver tab, and here you see the option of Update Driver. Select that, and you can easily click on Search automatically for drivers. If this doesn't work, you can even browse your computer for drivers and select the mouse driver manually and click on the next button. Other thing what you can do is you can change the mouse setting as well. For that, you need to exit here and right click on the start icon. Select settings. And here you can easily click on the three lines menu button, or if you do not have that feature, you can go to the Bluetooth and devices. And here you can easily scroll down and look for the mouse option. Click on it and disable the option of scroll in inactive windows when hovering over them. And then you can easily close this windows. The next step that you can follow is simply you need to use system configurations. Press Windows plus R to open the Run dialog box, and here you can type in msc config, or let's type in msc config, that is msconfig, and click on OK button. And here you need to simply go to the Services tab and check the option of Hide all Microsoft services. Then you need to click on Apply button and then hit OK button, then restart your system to complete the process. So these steps help you fix the auto scroll down problem in your laptop in Windows 11. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.